explore flyermaker. Launch app. So now our app is opened. We're just waiting for the ad to complete so that we move to the main features of the app. Here is it. You need to put on your mobile data in order to access the templates that has already been developed by the app. So here we have the templates. Here are some of the templates that has been already pre-developed in the app, easily for you to edit. They are found in many categories of which you can choose from and edit. For instance, you can have business flyers over here with numbers of already developed flyers that you can easily edit with your own information and have your work done. The same for offer and sales. A couple of flyers. In terms you want to design a marketing flyer, this will be best for you. It may take some time to load all these templates because it runs on mobile network. Here are some of the educational flyers. The same applies to real estate. And there are many categories. We have car wash, etc. that you can choose from in order to edit. The next feature is create. The create category gives you the chance to actually create your own content or your own designs. So we have a series of sizes that you can choose from. So we have the Facebook cover, the cinematic size, a range of different sizes, as well as already designed flyers and in different sizes as well that you can choose and just edit. And it works by just clicking on it and it will give you the chance to edit it. Different exclusive designs comes in different sizes as well. The next feature is a category. As said already, this gives you access to the different categories. And then the next is a search. Here we can search for different categories that we want templates or flyers from. So let's search for the Christmas. So we are looking out for Christmas flyers. Now here are a series of the Christmas flyers templates that have been already developed in the app. Next we have my designs, which displays designs that you have already worked on yourself and have saved them on the app. Now let's zoom in and create our own. So to create, you come to the create button and then we choose our size. So we'll go for the standard flyer, and here it is. Now we have a text. We enter our text. Click on the text and you can have access to rotating it, just moving it up, down, left, right, however you want it. You can control it from here. Then we can also rotate it the other way, either 90 degrees, any degree you want. Size allows you to change the size. You can also change the color. You make adjustments font as well. Different types of font types. shadow or not. And the style gives you access to different styles, underline and different alignments. The curve can curve your text, but it works for a pro. That means you have to buy or pay autobiography. Opacity fades in and fades out. Letter spacing, space up the letters. Line spacing, space up the lines. You can also choose to add an image or a background as well. For the background, we have many categories. There are lots of backgrounds that have already been given to you in the app. They come in different categories, just as you can see here. Very nice. You can choose from a wide range of categories depending on the kind of flyer you want. Then we can have just plain color as your background as well. You can have a lot of colors here with different types of shades as well. You have gradient, also comes in different shades and color varieties. We also have a pattern designs for your background, and here you can choose to either magnify it or make them smaller. That is if you want the pattern. Then you can also decide to choose an image from your gallery or maybe your camera. And you can also apply these options, either a blur, a scale, a filter. But these, the blur, the filter, and the effects are pro, and that means you have to purchase them or you have to pay for them. That is by downloading the premium app. But here we don't have the premium app, and so we'll not be able to access those features. So the next is graphics. So here we have our graphics. You can choose from different range of images and designs depending on what you want, ranging from models to banners, frames, subscription buttons, icons, a whole lot. So here we have chosen a graphic to work with. So this is a beautiful banner that we have chosen. Let's go to shapes. There are varieties of shapes as well that you can have access to for all your designs. We have basic shapes, rectangles, semicircles, shields, triangle, square, and a whole variety with different designs of shapes that you can actually choose from. Now we can have our shape in here. From there we can increase the size, we can crop, we can rotate, just like our text, we can do same to it. So right from shapes, we also have different features up there. We have the copy. You can copy, and then here gives you where you have all that you have uploaded and you're working with. You have your undo and redo buttons up there. Then we can save our work in different, we have the PDF, the PNG, and the JPG, and then quality as well as the size too we can choose, and then we save our design. So here we go. Thank you very much.